Cabin cruisers are like mini yachts that are more affordable and easier to maintain. We'll be showcasing 6 of the best cabin cruisers, starting from the least expensive cruiser to the most expensive. All are under 50 feet and range from 650 grand to 1.2 million for the newest models. These include adventure vessels, fishing cruisers, express cruisers, long-haul mini yachts, and vessels for entertaining a lot of people. Let's dive in. From a relatively new shipbuilder in Finland, we have the Axopar 45XE. It's the cross-cabin version of their 45-footer with a commercial-style pilot house. The all-season or bad-season capable boat that can both be beached as well as breach ice flows. Axopar is an exciting young company with a bold take on the adventure boat. This is a potent cruiser that focuses on performance first, where comfort takes a bit of a backseat. But as rugged as it is, it's no slouch on accommodations. The cross-cabin 45-foot Axopar has a sleek, sporty look with a spacious pilot house cabin and some brilliant designs to accommodate a family or a group of explorers with e-foils or paddleboards. Notice the roof rack for practical storage. Sliding doors open up the pilot house to the outdoors, revealing the hybrid philosophy of Axopar. 2 unique fold-down benches on the freeboard on either side of the salon doors expand the social capacity of the pilot cabin in a way we've not seen before. The 45XC is the only Axopar boat with an aft cabin. It's crawling room only, but there's so much natural light to make up for that, unless you're cruising the fjords in the winter, in which case there's little light outside at all. The forward cabin offers an additional seating space that quickly converts into the berth. There's standing room and a large enough head for tall people. An innovative helm station is smartly made to make cruising fun and efficient, taking advantage of the twin-stepped W-hull design and robust build. It's a cool action boat for all seasons that's equally suitable for a crossing to the Bahamas or exploring the fjords of Scandinavia in the winter. $663,000 will get you the base model of this exciting go-anywhere, do-anything sport cruiser, but you might end up throwing in another 150 grand on add-ons that you're gonna want. Next up, we got the Jeanneau Merry Fisher 1295 Fly. This boat is the epitome of innovative design and versatility. The 1295 Fly boasts a spacious cockpit with modular seating, a less cumbersome flybridge, and an integrated swim platform, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Flybridge is great for river passages, having the extra vista and full instrumentation transfer from the main helm station. It's a simple fly that you might not even notice from afar. We like that for increased performance and easier maintenance. Below deck, the Merry Fisher 1295 offers a modern interior with 3 luxurious cabins, a fully equipped galley, and a spacious salon. The advanced helm station and triple Yamaha engines make for ample propulsion, excellent handling, and performance. The Jeanneau Merry Fisher 1295 is a perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality, making it our choice for the cabin cruiser of 2024 that punches well above its weight in value at around $750,000 for a base model, which includes a reasonable amount of amenities. It is nothing short of wow. Competition for overnight cruisers is intense, and we see boats trying to appeal to as many potential customers as possible. Regal has made its pitch by taking their sports activity vessel concept and targeting families with kids that want to surf. The Regal 38 Surf makes it easy to convince your kids to spend the day boating with the folks. They'll want to bring their friends with them though. This 40-foot marvel is designed not just for surfing, but made to appeal to everybody's boating dreams. Whether it's an exciting day on the waves or a peaceful night under the stars, wining, grilling, and dining, the Regal 38 Surf is a very accommodating vessel. Step inside and you'll find spacious, well-appointed cabins with room for overnight cruising. You can enjoy weekends at sea, including a trip to the Bahamas with delight, as the boat performs on sea amazingly. Equipped with a fully functional galley, comfortable seating areas, and premium entertainment systems, the Regal 38 Surf aims to satisfy your comfort and enjoyment throughout your journey. From thrilling water sports to serene sunsets by anchor, this boat offers versatility in a way only adventure boats are usually able to. Surf in the morning, cruise in the afternoon, and dine under the stars at night. We rode a 38 Surf that had seen many a wave at sea, and it appeared to show little sign of wear for its time. Regals are also known for fetching a decent resale price too, a testimony to their after-purchase value. Regal has kept the starting price of the twin forward drive 38 Surf to just above $800,000 somehow. Impressive by comparison. This is the 43 LS by Tiara Yachts. The 2025 model is powered by twin Mercury Verado V12 600 horsepower engines. These engines not only deliver impressive speed and performance, but also ensure smooth and reliable operation, ideal for both short trips, extended cruises, and making docking smooth and safe. The design of the Tiara 43 LS emphasizes luxury and comfort. The spacious deck features premium seating and a fully equipped helm station with advanced navigation systems, making it easy to control and navigate. The elegant interior has high-quality materials that is reflected in the plus $1 million price tag. With a well-appointed cabin that includes a comfortable berth, a fully functional galley, and a stylish head, the 43 LS is a step up that ensures you have all the amenities needed for a luxurious stay on the water. In addition to its luxury profile, the 43 LS is also built for serious fishing. It comes equipped with rod holders, a bait well, and ample storage for all your fishing gear. The versatile layout allows for easy movement and access to fishing areas, making it a great choice for anglers. The 2025 Tiara Yachts 43 LS seamlessly integrates luxury and practicality, catering to a wide range of boating activities. Whether you're planning a relaxing day on the water or an adventurous fishing trip, this yacht offers everything you need in a sleek, stylish package. We're excited to talk about the Grand Banks Eastbay 44. The GB 44 is part of a rebirth of the Downeast style of cruising yachts, with wide beams and a tasteful teak interior design. We chose this model not just because it can have 3 staterooms and 2 dry heads, but because of the marriage between Grand Banks' heritage and the new innovation that some intrepid engineers have brought to the company recently. The new Grand Banks is lighter and more fuel efficient with a V-warp hull that doesn't crash through the waves as much as waves crash around it. The powerful twin diesel engines ensure a smooth and efficient ride, allowing for a range of up to 662 nautical miles. The GB44 is the smallest of the new fleet, but at more than 48 feet, it's one of the biggest on this list. Combined with a beam of almost 15 feet, there's a lot of livable space on board. Inside, the Eastbay 44 is all about comfort and elegance, with a well-appointed salon, a fully equipped galley, and 2 or 3 spacious staterooms depending on the layout choice. The expected class and elegance of the Eastbay 44 is prominent in the hand-inlaid teak that's everywhere. It makes it warm on the inside, complemented by extraordinary light that gets in. Walls of windows also make this an extraordinarily elegant experience to live on and cruise on. The Sea Ray SLX 400 can option with either inboard Mercruisers or up to 3 Mercury Verados. This model is known as the Entertainer because it has features and a capacity to do just that for 22 people. The SLX 400 offers a spacious cockpit with an extended swim platform, even on the outboard model because of the Verado engines. With the retractable balcony and adjustable aft lounge, this boat is ideal for swimming, sunning, and socializing. The convertible seating options and retractable sunshade provide ultimate comfort for passengers, while the wet bar will keep everybody fed and hydrated in the right way. Inside, there's a function-first design and a good use of space, much better than we've seen on Sea Ray's Sundancer series of smaller cruisers. On the 400 SLX, there's a well-equipped galley, a spacious head, and sleeping accommodations for up to 4 people. That includes the sofa lounge in the forward cabin that converts to a berth and a smaller berth under the stairs. On the outboard model, the SLX 400 delivers performance and control, taking advantage of Mercury's solid integrated tab control system, the joystick and thrusters too. For an extra 25 grand, the optional Fathom E-Power system adds an off-grid capability that's silent, clean, and takes advantage of the Mercury Verado setup, making it a top choice for versatile boating experiences. Ideal for summer entertaining and capable of weekends at sea, the 2024 SLX 400 starts around 1.1 million. Upgrades will add another 100 grand to the price to make this a fully functional entertainment cruiser. Looking at 2023 models and older will slash its price in half and will get you one heck of a versatile boat.
I hope you enjoyed this list to the 6 best cabin cruisers. Drop a comment below if there's a model that you want to see reviewed in a future video. There are links below in the description to all of the models reviewed here, as well as other boats in other classes. I'm Bradley from divein.com. See you out on the water.